Let's say you're walking around on the lot. And even if you're sitting at the computer, you don't want to say, hey, do you want to drive the car? A lot of times they're going to say no. Do you think you want to take a test drive? No, I don't. What do you do now? Now you got to overcome it. Tell them you're going to be right back and just pull the car out. It is hard to decline a demonstration drive when a car is pulled out and running. You don't want to ask if people want to drive the car. You can assume the demonstration drive. What do you think of this? Oh, I like it a lot. Hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. You walk into the dealership, you grab the dealer plate, fire that car up, and you just pull it out. Big difference.